So we're continuing on to build this Craftsman router table, and what we've been able to do so far is we've been able to assemble the fence and we put the router on there. We have a bunch of leftover parts. We have to do the feather boards now. So we have the feather boards. Let me just put this back. One of the reasons I bought this over the Bosch is because the Bosch didn't. That's kind of a silly reason, but the Bosch didn't come with a miter guide. So I don't know. That's what I got on these. Okay, so the fence goes with the feather pieces in the direction towards the router. So these have to go that way. And they have nice arrows telling you the direction at which the router is. Okay, and so to install the fence, the featherboards, let's see. Okay, so we're going to use our long bolts again. We have two. There are different sizes for some reason. I don't know. Also, in your manual, there's an insert. So may have made a correction. And the correction was for these holes, which we did. We used it properly. Okay. Okay, so they only have one. No, they have two holes. Okay, good. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. This table. It's a bit clumsy to put together, but that works. So, did we do that right with the washers or not? Question. So yes, make sure when you do this, put your washer. I don't know if I should mention it, but I caught my neighbors. I caught someone walking over to my neighbor's house trying to rip off their bicycle. Wonderful people. They look like transients, and it looks like they've moved in and they're bringing their friends who are also transients, and the police don't seem to care. The police don't seem to do anything. Okay, so make sure that you choose these round ones with the bolts on there. And put that there. And so there is a mistake. They didn't give me enough bolts. And this might, no, this has nothing to do with this. Was, yeah. Yep, they didn't give me enough bolts. The right size bolts. So that'll be your feather board, and you can slide it. It's only so far. Okay. Alrighty. This isn't long enough for some reason. How do they do that? And on top of that, I'm missing I got two of these, one of these, so I'm missing one of those plastic knobbies, along with along with the screw for it. So you always want to be careful. Oh, check your box. There's in the box. There's no space for a washer. Okay, so that's it. Basically it. And then once you've installed the router, you can take this guide and you put it in. This is where mounting the router comes in the importance. So, so I'm gonna loosen that. I'm gonna rotate this. I'm gonna rotate the router. This hole here is supposed to adjust the height. Okay, so when you're installing this, make sure you put your base so that you count for the adjustment wrench. So we'll be redoing all that. And that wasn't mentioned in my reading of the instructions. It could have been mentioned later. Because it wasn't paying attention. Okay, so there you guys have it. Got the router. These pieces will just snap in here, depending on what size of router bit you're using. But in the